It's 11 p.m., you're exhausted, but the moment your head hits the pillow, your brain starts a highlight reel of every mistake you made in 2014. If this feels familiar, stay with me because this is not just stress. It's a biological glitch, and today we're going to fix the wiring. This is the tired, wired loop. Your body is at 1%, but your nervous system is glowing neon red. Scientists call this cortisol dysregulation, but I want you to think of it as a leaky faucet. Your body is dripping stress hormones into your system when it should be pouring melatonin. You're effectively leaking energy all night long. Researchers at Stanford found a kill switch for this loop. It's actually a biological shortcut that we all have built into our system. It's called the physiological sigh. It's two inhales through the nose. The second is sharp, followed by one long, slow exhale through the mouth. Let's do it together. Feel that? That exhale is the off switch. Sleep is not something that just happens to you, it's a skill you can trigger. Practice this tonight and break the loop. If you're setting with me, drop a battery emoji in the comments so I know that you're in, and hit follow for the next video where we use the same science to defeat morning brain fog. I'll see you there. This information is for educational and informational purposes only and does not create a therapist-patient relationship. Individual results vary. Always consult with a licensed provider for your specific needs. If you think you may have a medical emergency, call 911 or go to your nearest emergency room immediately. See my full disclaimer in my bio.